Good morning children. In previous class we were solving chapter 11 exercise 11.4. Today we will continue the same exercise, some other problems. Question number 6. Simplify secant a into 1 minus sin a into secant a plus tan a. We need to solve it. Here three terms are there and three terms are in multiplication. At a time three terms we can't multiply, so we will take two terms. So secant a into 1 minus sin a into secant a plus tan a, that is equal to, first we are multiplying these two terms, secant a into 1 minus sin a. Are you getting my point children? So secant a into 1 minus secant a into sin a into the secant a plus tan a as it is we are writing. Clear children? Now secant a into 1 is secant a only minus secant a, can I write in cos, reciprocal of cos? Secant a is nothing but 1 by cos a. Like secant theta already we learned, secant theta is 1 by cos theta into sin a as it is into secant a plus tan a. Am I clear children? Again you see three terms they have given in multiplication, so three terms at a time we can't multiply, so two terms first we are multiplying, third term we are writing as it is. What are those two terms? Secant a into 1 minus secant a into sin a into secant a plus tan a as it is we are writing. Clear children? So secant a into 1 is secant a minus secant a, reciprocal of cos only secant, so we are writing that only. Secant a is nothing but 1 by cos a into sin a, then into secant a plus tan a as it is. Clear children? Secant a as it is minus 1 into sin a whole divided by cos a. Clear children? Into secant a plus tan a as it is we are writing. Clear? Secant a as it is minus sin by cos, we know tan, so sin a by cos a is nothing but tan a into secant a plus tan a. Clear children? Sin a by cos a is nothing but tan a. Now secant a minus tan a into secant a plus tan a, like a minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square. Here a is secant a, b is tan a, so we are writing a square minus b square means secant a whole square. So secant square a minus tan into tan square a. Clear children? The secant a minus tan a into secant a plus tan a we are writing in the identity a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. In place of a secant a is there, in place of b tan a is there, so a square minus b square means secant square a minus tan square a. Clear children? And we have one identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Here in place of theta a is there, so secant square a minus tan square a is nothing but 1. So we got the answer, secant a into 1 minus sin a into secant a plus tan a is equal to 1. Clear children? Let's see one more problem we will solve. Prove that sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Left hand side you take children, right hand side you will get that only our proof. So I am taking here left hand side, that is sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square. It is looking like a plus b whole square, so we are writing that in the same formula. A plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. In first term a is sin a and b is cosecant a. So a square means sin square a plus cosecant square a plus 2 into sin a into cosecant a. We are writing in the formula. Am I clear children? Second term also cos a plus secant a whole square, again we should write in the same formula, a plus b whole square, that is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. So cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 into cos a into secant a. Am I clear children? See, again I am telling you, sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square, left hand side we have taken, so it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So we are writing that in the formula, a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here in the first term a is sin a, b is cosecant a, so a square plus b square means sin square a plus cosecant square a plus 2ab means 2 into sin a into cosecant a. Clear children? Plus the second term also we are writing in the same formula, a plus b whole square. Here a is cos a and b is secant a. So a square means cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 into cos a into secant a. Am I clear children? Now see, sin in the full sentence, in the full line, you can observe that sin and cos is there. We are keeping at one side, sin square a plus cos square a plus this cosecant square A as it is plus 2 sin A into cosecant A. Can I write 1 by sin A? I am writing that only. Reciprocal of sin A is nothing but cosecant A plus this cos square already first we took. This secant square A I am writing as it is plus 2 into cos A into secant A again is reciprocal of cos A. So I am writing in place of secant A 1 by cos A. Clear children? See, cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta and secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Am I clear children? And we have one identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Correct children? In place of that I am writing 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Here in place of theta 1 is there. So the value is 1. Plus cosecant square theta I can write 1 plus cos square theta. We have identity already we discussed. So cosecant square theta is nothing but 1 plus cot square theta. So here theta is A. In place of cosecant square A, I am writing 1 plus cot square A. Clear children? Plus this numerator sin A and denominator sin A get cancelled. Answer will be only 2. Plus secant square A. Again secant square A. That one more identity we are using here. Secant square theta is nothing but 1 plus tan square theta. In place of secant square, I am writing 1 plus tan square A. Am I clear children? Again here you see plus 2 cos A into 1 by cos A. Numerator cos A, denominator cos A get cancelled. Remaining thing will be plus 2A. Am I clear children? Then see children, 1 plus cot square A plus 2 plus 1 plus tan square A plus this 2 as it is. Now add the numbers 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7 plus cot square A as it is plus tan square A as it is. So our answer is 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. That is nothing but right hand side. So when we took left hand side, we got right hand side. Hence proofs children. So we got the answer here. Now let's see one more important problem we will solve. If cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k, then prove that cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. What he has given children? Cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k. Suppose this is equation 1. And we know that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. One identity is there. Yes. So that's why we are writing that identity, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Now suppose this is in the form of a square minus b square. So we have formula a square minus b square, that is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. That only we are writing in the formula. So a square minus b square we have, so we need to write a plus b into a minus b. So cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta, because in place of a cosecant theta is there and in place of b cot theta is there. So that is equal to 1. Clear children? Cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1. We have cosecant theta plus cot theta value k, that in place of this we are writing k, into this cosecant theta minus cot theta we don't know, so as it is we are writing, that is equal to 1. So cosecant theta minus cot theta keep here only and k we are sending that side, so that will come under denominator. So cosecant theta minus cot theta is 1 by k. Clear children? Suppose this is equation 2. Now we are adding 1 and 2. So that is nothing but cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k, cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k, plus cot theta minus cot theta get cancelled. So cosecant theta plus cosecant theta, 2 cosecant theta, that is equal to k plus 1 by k. Now we have to take the LCM. 2 cosecant theta as it is I am taking 1 and k is nothing but k only. Send this k this side, so k into k plus 1. Clear children? So 2 cosecant theta equal to k into k square plus 1 whole divided by k. Now these two I am sending that side, that will come under denominator only. So cosecant theta is equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. Suppose this is equation 3. Clear children? Now again this equation 1 and 2 we are subtracting. See, cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k, this is the equation 1, and cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k, this is equation 2. We are subtracting means we need to change this sign. When minus is there, plus we will take. When plus is there, minus we will take. Clear children? So this cosecant theta minus cosecant theta get cancelled. Cot theta plus cot theta, 2 cot theta, that is equal to k minus 1 by k. Again we are taking LCM here, 2 cot theta as it is, k and 1 LCM is k. So now we should do the cross multiplication, k into k square minus 1 by k. Again we don't want this 2, so we are sending that side, that become 2k. So cot theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. Suppose this is equation 4. Now we got equation 3 as cosecant theta equal to k square plus 1 by 2k, and equation 4 cot theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. That is equation 4. Now we are dividing equation 4 by equation 3. Cot theta is equation 4, so cot theta whole divided by equation 3 is cosecant theta. So cot theta by cosecant theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2k whole divided by k square plus 1 by 2k. Left hand side we are dividing and right hand side we are dividing. This 2k and 2k both are in denominator, we are getting cancelled. Cot theta we want in something sin and cos, so that only we are writing cot theta is nothing but cos theta by sin theta whole divided by cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. Am I clear, children? That is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. In left hand side, both denominator sin theta is there. Can we cancel that? Yes, we can cancel. We are cancelling. So remaining thing is cos theta by 1. That is nothing but cos theta. That is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. He is asking to prove that only. When he has given cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to 1, we have to prove cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So we got the answer, children. Hence proof. Clear, children? Any doubt is there? Now your homework is solve chapter 11, exercise 11.4, page number 296, question number 5, 8 and 9. Am I clear, children?